Hello, this is Kiran. So today easy kanji, but before that I want to introduce how to say good morning in Japanese. In Japanese they have two ways to say good morning. One is a casual way and second is formal way. So let's start. So casual way to say good morning in Japanese is a friendship and close friends or family or younger than you. Just say ohayo, ohayo and ohayo. Just ohayo. Okay? Nothing much. Simple. Ohayo is good morning. And formal way, just elder than you and in the company or boss, manager, elder than you, more position, more than you, or just any formal, there's not so close friends, okay? And you can say ohayo gozaimasu, ohayo gozaimasu, ohayo gozaimasu. That's it. That's a good morning in Japanese. So now you know. So let's start easy kanji. Today we are going to write kanji is soil. In Japanese says tsuchi. Take a look at an image of soil and tree. Make a cross and one line for ground. Easy kanji to write. So let's start. Just simply make a cross. Okay, and ground is longer line. That's it. And one more time. Make it 1, 2, cross, longer line as a ground. Very easy kanji. This is say soil. It's tsuchi. So today's wisdom of grammar is Nikai kara megusuri. Its English translate is I drop from second floor. What? What's the meaning? Yes, let us simple understand this kotowaza is just example. My friend in the first floor and I'm going to second floor. And second floor I have eye drop in my hand and I go to the balcony and I'm going to put to my friend eye drop. But it's very difficult, right? Because why difficult? Because so much distance and very difficult to put eye drop from second floor, right? So this is the meaning. How to understand the wisdom of wisdom is we all human, we want result as soon as possible. Put the effort, energy to something to make it happen as a good result. Yes, but between make it happen in effort and the happen, so long distance, so much effort, so much take time, so much time to have a lot of process. But think as a positive way. See, 99% when you want something, we fail, right? And this 1% we want as a success, as a yes, this is what I wanted as a result. Yes, but if it didn't happen, we're disappointed. And just sometimes let it go. But it's happened, you're very happy. So its meaning is if you best friend with a fail, you are capable to maintain your success. So such a long distance to make it happen, make effort and work hard. Okay, and good luck. That's a wisdom. So today's one thing to know about Japan is I pick up hanami. Hanami is a flower viewing. Okay, in Japanese tradition party, it's like a party. Yes, it's the March, end of the March and April. they have a beautiful blooming the cherry blossom, and under the cherry blossom you bring your mat and lunch box and the drink whatever you like, and with the family or friends do like a under the flower, yeah, beautiful cherry blossom is everywhere and such a smelling beautiful pink color or reddish color, such a beautiful. Then under they have a party, everybody do a party in this season to celebrate the spring, the enter this precious spring. So if you want to go to Japan in this end of the March or April, is you have to enjoy in the bring your mat and lunch and drinks and nice friends and go to the cherry blossom party. It's called Hanami. Okay. By the way, they have a night Hanami also. In the olive garden in the cherry blossom, they have a spotlight. So beautiful light, and under the light, you lie down and enjoy your conversation with your friends. That's a beautiful thing to do in Japan. So thank you so much. I'll see you another video. Best of luck. Have a great day. Sayonara.